Hey everybody, Aaron here from 3Dsellers. Let's go over this new eBay fee calculator that helps you find the perfect price for fixed-priced items in the USA. This one-of-a-kind calculator can calculate your selling price for you, or you can set your own selling price and view the associated fees and profit. First, let's have the calculator calculate our selling price for us. We'll first enter the price that we paid for the item and the shipping price. And then we'll move to desired profit. We can choose a fixed amount of profit, or we can set a margin. And then we'll move to PayPal fees. We'll then input our eBay seller info. Then we'll choose a listing category. And then we can add eBay upgrades and set an eBay promotional rate. We will then be given a recommended price for the item. Below you get a full overview and breakdown of your fees. Thank you very much for watching this overview of our new eBay fee calculator, and have a great day.